What's up, everybody? We're coming to you with another quick tutorial today, and pretty much what we're trying to find out is how long has my computer been running. To do this, it's pretty simple. All you need to do is right-click on your taskbar down here, and then you're going to hit Task Manager. When you hit Task Manager, it is going to load up all the programs, everything that's running, performance. We could do a whole video on this if you wanted. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go into the Performance tab. And then when we look at the Performance tab, you can see my uptime here is 1 day, 15 hours, 39 minutes, and 32 seconds. Looks like I forgot to turn off my computer because it's usually not on that long. But yeah, here we can simply figure out how long the computer has been running for. You can also find the Task Manager by using the search bar here. And then you can click on that, bring us to the same spot, back to performance. Sometimes when we have super full taskbars down here, it's hard to actually right click and find it. One thing I have found is if you use the task view right here and you right click that, you're still able to access the task manager option, versus when you right click on a program, obviously that option is not there. So just a couple different ways to get to task manager. I hope you found this helpful. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below. And if you have any questions, make sure to reach out to me on Twitter or in the comments below. And hopefully I'll be able to get a video answering your question. Until next time, have a great day.